Hello everyone, it's Rose from Korean class. 안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 한국어 수업의 로즈입니다. Actually, I'm gonna speak Korean more and more because some subscriber want me to talk to Korean. Is that okay? 괜찮아요 여러분? So today, we're gonna study new consonant, 키읔. 그래서 오늘 수업은 저희는 새로운 자음, 키읔을 배울 거예요. So we are writing 1, 2. So pronunciation is 키읔. 발음은 키읔. Okay? And before my video, we studied 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 시옷, 가나, 다라, 마바사, 이응, 지읒, 치읒, 키읔. So, if you don't know these consonants, you need to go back my last videos. Okay? So let's have a look. First one, 키읔 plus 아. So this is 키읔 is K. So plus 키읔 plus 아. 아 is A. This is 카. 이것은 카예요. 카. So we are writing 1, 2, 3, 4. 카. 1, 2, 3, 4. 카. Next one. 키읔 plus 야. So 키읔 plus 야. This is 캬. We are writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 캬. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. 캬. Next one. 키읔 plus is E-O. So this is, 그래서 이것은 커. Writing 1, 2, 3, 4. 커. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷. 커. Next one. 키읔 K plus 여 is Y-E-O. So this is 켜. We're writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 켜. And one more time. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. 켜. And next one, we're gonna study till now. 키읔 K plus O. O is just O. So this is 코. You're writing 1, 2, 3, 4. 코. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷. 코. So then, let's have a look at this picture below. So we are gonna study very simple words. Look at that. This is, we studied 카, 키읔 plus 아. So this is 카. And we studied this word. 디귿 is T and is 드. 카드. 카드 is right. Just card. Card. This is look like birthday card, right? So this is 카드. Card in Korean is 카드. And birthday card is 생일. Birthday in Korean is 생일. 생일 카드 is birthday card. And we just saying check card or credit card is 카드. 카드. And also, this is my Starbucks card. I really like the Starbucks coffee. So Starbucks card is also 스타벅스 카드. 스타벅스 카드. Okay? And next, last one. Same words. This is 코. 코. 코 is just nose. Nose in Korean, 코. 코. And eyes is 눈. 코. Nose in Korean is 코. And mouth in Korean is 입. Eyes in Korean, 눈. Nose in Korean, 코. Mouth in Korean, 입. So, that's all for me today. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 다음에 봐요. Bye!